To operate the grind control, mount the unit in the mill. Turn on the unit. The grind control is now connecting to the computer via Bluetooth. Next, open the software on your computer. You can download the software on the Retsch homepage. You see 3 menu items on the left side of the window. The first menu item is to start a new measurement. You can use the software for a fully documentation of your measurement and its parameters. There are 3 mandatory fields: measurement name, operator, and device. Once you have selected the sensor, you can continue your documentation with the specification of the jar that you are using and the jar filling. If you are running a series of test runs, you can also create a template for your measurement series. By clicking on the template's name and selecting the sensor, all parameters are automatically transferred to the mask. To start the measurement, click on the Start button. Now turn on the mill to start the process. You can observe the actual measurement data and the development of temperature and pressure as a function of time. As soon as you stop the measurement, all data is saved. The second menu item provides an overview of all measurements. Once you have selected a stored measurement, you can view the results or export the results in CSV or PDF format. The third menu item is General Settings. Here you will find the sensor name and status information. You can also set the unit and resolution for temperature and pressure data. You can choose to start the pressure measurement at 0 and select Automatic File Export.